So let's get more on News Corp and what we heard from Rupert Murdoch himself. And this morning we have Simon Burge, Chief Investment Officer at Above the Index Asset Management. He joins us on the line from Sydney, and he's also a News Corp shareholder. Good to have you back, Simon. Did you like what you heard in the conference call?
Yeah, look, we were very pleased with the result. It's fair to say, I think I had a chat to you a couple of weeks ago when the turmoil was at its height, and it was fair to say we were maintaining our position in the company, not because, of course, we were not aware of the significance of the issues going on, but there comes a point where, from an investment point of view, particularly in these environments where we're seeing a lot of companies disappoint and certainly not providing outlook statements, what we saw this morning was a delivery of a result which was guided a year ago, basically. We've seen a company that's given guidance for the coming year, and I don't think in the Australian market you're going to find many companies that have guided to double-digit earnings growth and a large aggressive buyback. So it's sort of a unique position, and we're certainly going to be maintaining our active and overweight position.
Okay, and how do you feel about what Rupert Murdoch had to say? He says that the board wants him to stay on as chairman and the CEO. Do you believe that?
Well, I've certainly, far be it from me to question what we see. The rest of the market, I've just been seeing and heard what has gone on this morning. But look, at this stage, I think the board's made it clear they want him to stay. I think what was interesting about it, when you and I were chatting a couple of weeks ago, I think we touched on the Chase Carey and James Murdoch scenario as well. And I think he's come out overnight saying, if he's run over by a bus, probably Chase would take the reins at this stage. So given that he's, as far as we can see, has distanced himself from this scandal in the UK so far, that obviously I think would give the market some confidence. The other thing is they have established committees to look into this, both in the US and the UK. They've said they're independent. Sure, people might question that. However, I will go with what's been said, and at this stage say, look, they're making an attempt to, as we say, look to what's gone on, make sure this doesn't happen again. And if you take those moments away, I guess as we do, and try and look at the other businesses, cable, TV, and Sky Italia, notwithstanding the B-Sky-B deal falling over, this company's, I think, with a buyback in place, in great shape for the year ahead.
All right. Well, Simon, thanks for joining us this morning. Simon Burge at ATI Asset Management.